All right, guys, this is what you've been waiting for. It is the War of the Worlds final between Canada's Microblizz and Japan's Hebomai, who is under the alias Ike. Without further ado, let's get this started. I'll spare you the mindless rambling, and we can get to the match right away. Oh, and this is Sir Javis commentating. But I'm sure you knew that already, right? Mm. This fried rice is so good. Let me tell you. Okay, let's get down to business. This is a first to 15 win by 2. And in the previous matchup, Blizzard lost to Hebomai 9-15. Let's see if he can, how should I say it, redeem himself. Both of them going for a Tetris start right now. Both of them with very clean fields. Hebo's just down stack plowing through that like a boss. Let's see. T-spin mini into back-to-back Tetris. Oh, Hebo's got a huge slight misdrop there, but he fixes that. Good down stack combo there. Both of them with relatively stable fields and sending lots of garbage. Hebo's playing it a little bit safe right now. He should be setting up for a very large T-spin back-to-back Tetris tower just to knock him out here. Nice spike by Blizzard, but Hebo was right there to counter it. Both of these players have really good defensive skills. Notice, oh, that's gonna cost them the game. I know it. Yeah, both of them have really great defensive skills that they limit the amount of messy garbage that's incoming. Bad start by Microblizz. He might suffer. Hebo is wow. Hebo stacking up for 4 wide, trying to see if he can knock him out. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 combo. I bet one of you guys is thinking right now combo breaker, but I'll spare you the internet memes for today. Something tells me this is gonna be a long night. Wow. Good defense by Hebo there. He was on the brink of defeat, but is able to come back. Use of all spins there to avoid that awkward stack there. Blizz playing conservatively. He needs to be a little bit more aggressive, even though against a monster such as Hebo. Scary thing is, I'm up against this guy in TTO2. Maybe now's a good time to kind of analyze his tactics and see if I can formulate a counter plan. Oh, Blizz is gonna. Oh no! If it was a more severe misdrop, Blizz could have taken advantage of that. But Hebo's use of all spins is just magnificent. Wow. Not much to really say right here. Both of them with very clean stacks. Maybe I'll take some time to eat my fried rice. Okay, back in the game. Hebo's near the top. Oh, and it's a 1-1. Why is nothing going on? Okay, that's a quick 2-1. I guess Hebo really doesn't like strangers. I wish I had proper streaming software. You see, the thing with mine is if I record past 10 minutes, it doesn't record properly. And basically, I just wasted a whole bunch of time. How about with an awkward stack here? Stacking on top of it, too. Micro just needs to send one more T-spin double. Yep. Okay. It's 2-2. And here we go again, part 2 of Top War of the World's final, Blizzard versus Hebo Mai, and we will resume. It's all tied up here. I think top is Blizzard's really strong client because I guess the faster the game is, the more of an advantage he has. Hebo's experiencing a little bit of pressure here. He's got a little bit of messy garbage too, and an awkward stack. Can he get down? Ooh, yeah. That horizontal stick piece misdrop, or what I call the Kenny boy, is going to cost him that game. It's now 3-2 in favor of Blizzard. Nice kite in by Hebo Mai. He's going to spike really soon. Or not. I thought he was going to put that stick right in there. Hebo's playing very conservatively right now. Both with beautiful stacks. No major... I always forget which one is the red one. Is it S or... Oh, it's a Z. Yeah, he made that Z misdrop there. But nothing he can't handle. Hebo with some slightly messy garbage here. Microbliss trying to spike him out. Can he do it? Oh, Hebo comes back with a nice counter downstack combo. And right now, Blizz is just trying to downstack while avoiding any odd piece combinations. He's really struggling here. Hebo's really putting on the pressure here. T-spin there. Tetris here. But one misdrop and you can lose your momentum and possibly cost you the match. Hebo's at the very top. Oh, Micro. Oh, well played by Micro. Micro's going for 6-3 while Hebo's going for the classic Tetris into a T-spin double. Not sure if this S was a misdrop or if it was intentional, but he cleared through that nonetheless. Lopsided stacking here by Hebo. It's something that you want to avoid, especially if the garbage hole's underneath. Misdrop here, you can easily clear that. Misdrop there. Both people with messy garbage. Ooh, nice straight column here. And Hebo misdropped this, so he gotta take advantage of this. And my game froze. Oh, it unfroze. Bit of overcommitment here. And he's going to pay the price for that. Hebo with a really ugly misdrop here. What happened, man? Are you lactose intolerant like me? Did you know that 97% of Chinese people are lactose intolerant? My dad told me that. It's something that he learned when he was in med school. And sometimes lactose intolerance could be something that is developed. Not, you may not have it as a kid. See, you learn stuff when you listen to my streams. The more you know. And what just happened here? Okay, my computer farted and it seemed that both of them just downstacked a whole bunch. Let's just go with that. This might cost him. I don't know. Guess not. Beautiful down stack by Hebo. Now he's going to go for the aggressive. Spam those Tetrises, baby. Ooh. Blizz is at the top. This is actually a really tight match. Ooh. The way Blizz is playing right now, I'm surprised I got 10 off this guy when I played for the tournament. Okay, watch blocks magically disappear. Oh, 6-2, okay. Hebo's going to go try and go for the kill now. Or not. Maybe he didn't have the right pieces. Ooh. We'll see how quick the next one will be. So it's 5-4 Blizz. Oh, and Hebo just spikes him out. Now it's 5-5. These guys are so mean, they didn't wait for me. I think they're just gonna play it out. Hebo waiting to spike with that huge T-spin Tetris combo, or TT combo. That term has not caught on with the North American community yet, but it sure has with the Taiwanese. 6-5 Hebo. Hebo's got some really messy garbage here, but he can downstack and get it done. Quoting Secret Salamander. Oh, that's gonna cost him. That's gonna cost him. Yup. 6-6. Ooh. Don't know if that will, no, he's okay. Still alive. Hebo's already all the way at the bottom. He did a Kenny boy. Don't know, shouldn't hold him back too much though. With me though, I tend to misdrop at the most crucial moments. Like when I'm about to spike someone, but then I screw up, and then he just downstacks and sends it all back to me. I don't think that was intentional. Yeah, he's gonna suffer from that. Oh, 7-6. It looked like he was doing a prophecy, but the fact that Hebo would leave 2-3 deep columns is unusual, and it's generally not good Tetris good Tetris fundamentals to do that. You want to relieve yourself as much stick dependence as you can. Good combo by Hebo, 7-7. Excellent field management by both players. Does that get boring by now when I keep saying that? Yeah, hey, because it's true. There's not much I can really say. This might get him. I think these sorts of games, whoever's the first to misdrop and badly tends to lose. And a while ago, Blizz was saying that last year he was the king of misdrops. Right now, he's really improved his consistency. I've noticed how he was on block box a lot and practicing his finesse on there. Very nice spike by him. Ooh. 8-7. That's not so bad. He could tuck something in. But he wasted all his sticks and tees to resolve that other misdrop. 8-8. Donate. Oh, wow. Just topped out. Just wasn't fast enough. Just that split second. One thing I noticed about Hebo is notice how he keeps a funneled stack, meaning that if he needs to Tetris but doesn't have a stick, he can easily use some other piece to downstack his field, and which is a very important skill and one that really need to work on. Here he is going for 3 wide. Hebo and those mid game combos are really deadly. 7, 8, 9, 9 combo. Not quite enough to KO him though. T-spin double to a downstack combo, giving really messy garbage. This is a really close match here, folks. What can I tell you? Micro with that early misdrop. Misdrops are very bad. Don't do them. Micro going for Tetrises. Both of them going for Tetrises. T-spin. Awkward overhang set up here that might cause him to lose some momentum. Speaking of momentum, Micro Bliss has really great momentum right now. Wonder if he's going to do the donate. Yes, he does. His T-spin recognition has been improving. He's pushed all the way to the top here, and he's not going to make it. Okay, 10-9 Hebo. I will pause. And we're live again. This is part 4. I really need better recording software. Maybe I'll go to Future Shop and buy some. Since seems like I'm pretty good commentator according to Adam Parkser. Thanks for the comment, by the way. I don't stream much just because I have that 10-minute problem with my Cam Studio. Also, I tried using XSplit, which is what Hard Drop uses to stream their footage, and it's so streaky, number 1. Number 2, it's really laggy. A T-spin single there. Hebo with that horizontal J misdrop. J's are blue, and it turns out that blue's my favorite color. So that's how I can remember. But S's and Z's, I can't. Sometimes I just go by green and red, you know, Christmas time almost. Really nice field by Microbliss here. But he's going to come, Hebo's going to downstack his way down. T-spin double, another T-spin double. Tetris, very fast execution. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. 11-9. You see what Hebo did there is that he was able to see those 2 T-spins really, really quickly. And because you're way high up, you don't have to soft drop as far, meaning that the higher you are in terms of your field, the quicker you can pull off T-spins. He's in a little bit of trouble here. Should be okay. Did you see that? Those 2 J's were kissing. And he was able to downstack easier because of that to avoid a very awkward piece combination. Man, I'm learning new stuff. As Kaiden over here for that extra APM boost. Hebo plowing with Tetrises. Triple, double, double. Nasty misdrop here. That might cost him. Yeah, that's gonna cost him. Alright. 11-10. If I'm talking a little bit softly, it's because right now on the inner left, my inner right cheek has a canker sore the size of a quarter. And I tried putting salt on it, and trust me, it hurt like a bitch. Oops. Ah, well, too bad. Too late now. Forgot I have to be politically correct. T-Spin Mini. Micro's gonna try and crank out as many attacks as he can while down stacking. Hebo has a very clean stack again. Ooh, nah, I don't know what's happening here. Hebo tends to have those freak MDs, and for players like myself, we really need to capitalize on it because that's really the only advantage that we got. Micro's doing very well, though. I'm impressed. Very impressed. Hebo, he turned that into a T-spin triple. Very creative, but now his field's looking a little bit ugly right now, and that might be the end of this. Yeah, that is. All tied up, 11-11. Micro's doing a lot better this round. Maybe it might go into a second set. Now that's interesting. Hebo 3-widing. Oh, he kind of messed up a little bit there. Maybe he's going for a change of strategy to kind of keep keep Microblizz guessing. Heavy attack from Hebo. Here comes a spike. I think here's a spike from Micro. Using that T as an overhang was a little bit risky, but Hebo's doing all right. Right now, everything is calm on the Western Front. Nothing really major. Oh. Micro. Oh, no, it's too late. He needs to screen watch more, look for things like that. That's one thing I actually told Microblizz to improve on screen watching so he can capitalize on things like this. Hebo already screen watches a fair deal. The precise amount is basically he looks over at the opponent's screen once every 10 seconds. Just to have a feel of what the relative stack is, as well as if there are any misdrops or not. Good battle. Ooh. Blizz is in the lead. I'm gonna pause. Did you check this out? Did you guys check this out? Hebo laughed his frickin' ass off at my comment because all my videos I'm naming them DDD, ASDF, and stupid names like that. What is Hebo doing here? I am not sure, but he recovers from that very... Oh, 13-11. He recovers from that, but Micro is able to just top him out. Yeah, what's he doing right now? Is Hebo getting tired? Nonetheless... Nonetheless, he's still able to quickly recover. But Hebo's disadvantaged right now. He needs to stop those misdrops. Again with the misdrops. You gotta stop, guy. Ooh, good spike. And I think he'll take that one. 13-12 Blizz. This is a win by 2 match, and something tells me it's going to go past the 15 mark. T-spin, back-to-back Tetris. Both maintaining a very clean field right now. It's going to put that in, yeah. Oh, wow. This is not too bad. He can stick a red one. Yeah, I knew he was going to do that. He's going to stick the other red one there and keep his T-spin. Yeah, he lost momentum there. Yeah, stop with those misdrops, Hebo. Maybe it's not challenging enough for him. He has to create some self-made garbage for himself. Donate. Good donate by Hebomai. Not sure if Microbliss should be doing T-spins that high up. See what happens is he gets caught with an awkward field and then kills himself. That is probably one of my biggest weaknesses as a player, that I just love T-spinning. It's just such an art, and I just want to do it just for the sake of doing it. Like, yeah, I did that T-spin. I'm so pro. I'm so pro la for you Cantonese speaker out there. Tetrises from both players. T-spin, T-spin, oh. T-spin single to T-spin double to Tetris, adding a total of 2 plus 5 plus 5 plus 1, if my addition is correct, 13 lines. That's nasty. Ooh, that's nasty. I think Hebo was hesitating whether to do the Yoshihiro T-spin or not. I know his playstyle. I read you like a book, Hebo. Played you enough times to know what you're doing. For those of you who don't know, Yoshihiro T-spin is doing a T-spin mini and then a T-spin double. Often the T-spin mini creates that opportunity for him. Do the T-spin double afterwards, and it's usually done with the Tetris hole on the very left or right. Donate by Hebomai. Good spike. Micro's turn to TT combo. Hebo's in a bit of trouble here. It's going to go into deuce. Okay, advantage Hebo, 15-14. Hebo needs to win one more. Interesting donate here. Messy garbage on Blizzard's side. He better not make any T-spins. Better not pull a Sergivis. Even I can't pronounce my own name right. Going for that. He was going to try for that T-spin triple, but I think him abandoning early was a good choice. Hebo misdrops. It's very slight misdrop, though. He can skim that off easily, but it'll cost him some time. And 1 second is enough to make or break, especially in a game like this. Did a T-spin mini to a back-to-back Tetris. And T-Spin Minis do add lines in this game. It's 1 for T-Spin Mini and 2 for back-to-back T-Spin Mini. And we're back to square one. This might not be good news for Hebo, but he tucks that T piece underneath to fix it. Blizz is at the very top. He really needs to downstack right now. Advantage Hebo, 16-15. I'm going to pause. Okay, advantage Hebo, and go! For those of you who are top or TOJ familiar, ready, go! And they're off. What am I saying? And they're off. We're not at a horse race here. Okay, let's see what we got. Both of them maintaining very clean fields. Looks like Hebo's going for a small downstack combo here. Thought he was going to use that T piece as an overhang, but generally, for those of you learning to T-spin, don't use T's as overhangs unless you have an extra T, because then you're basically not making good use of your resources. And you don't want to be P-screwed. Nobody wants that. Hebo is making his way down. Micro Blizz failed to pressure him. That might cost him. That might end this deuce right here. And it does. And it does. 17-15 final score. Hebo wins. Hebo was the only one who represented his country. So Japan's one-man army takes this top War of the Worlds. Both of these players playing very brilliantly, and again, having a difference of 2 really shows that these 2 players, are more or less equal in terms of attacking strength and downstacking ability. Now, this probably won't be the last time these 2 face off. There's always TTO 2, in which I will be facing Hebomai. God help us all. Anyway, thanks for listening, and this is Sir Javis signing off, and hope to see you soon. And I think that's Micro Blizz whining to me right now. Damn it, I choked. Okay, I'm going off now. Bye-bye.